Well, all gas, no brakes. We are full speed ahead into the weekend thanks to our beautiful weather. KCAL News meteorologist Deanno back with your next weather forecast.
Thankfully, we have a little bit of combustion in the atmosphere mixing out this cloud cover right now. The Hollywood Hills looks a whole lot brighter than it did just about 30 minutes ago. Clouds are thinning out. We will still take another hour or so to get rid of all of them, but it should be a mainly sunny afternoon. We're now officially partly sunny over downtown Los Angeles, where the sun will go down at 7:28 today. 2 hours ago, socked in with clouds everywhere in the metro area and eastern Ventura County. Clouds still hanging on, especially coastal Ventura County, along Malibu as well. Much of metro Los Angeles and now much of the Inland Empire and our inland valleys are clearing out, and that clearing process will continue into the afternoon. Weekend time. Upper 60s today, 70 tomorrow. The cooler day with another cloudy start is your Saturday. Sunday, I expect sunshine from start to finish. We get a couple days with a weak offshore wind that kind of limits the ocean influence. And we'll have a high of 78 on Sunday. Long Beach, where we've got the Grand Prix going on this weekend, it is 67 degrees. You are getting some sunshine in and around Long Beach as well, but it's not going to be terribly warm today anywhere near the water because that breeze from the ocean is stronger than it has been the past couple days. So 68 downtown, 66 Santa Clarita, only 58 right now in Riverside. You're still cloudy. And Santa Ana 67. Hop over the mountains. Lancaster, Palmdale, Victorville, and Palm Springs are quite warm, but also quite breezy. Inland Empire this afternoon, you will not be mostly sunny until mid to late afternoon. That said, pleasant. Low to mid 70s. That's a few degrees cooler than average and a few degrees cooler than we have been recently because this storm to our north is making a pretty close pass, migrating over Northern California, kind of kicking our ridge over Arizona. Subtle changes, but enough to fire up that stronger onshore breeze and give us widespread morning cloud cover. So look at the difference between what we had at 8 o'clock in the morning and what we will have on the satellite at 3:30 this afternoon. Much clearer, much sunnier, nice start to the weekend. The onshore breeze is still there tomorrow, just not as strong. So we will start the day with morning cloud cover once again. You can tell the marine layer is lower than 4,000 feet because the tops of the Santa Anas are sticking out. So it's not that huge a marine layer, but enough it's going to hang out till about 10 or 11 o'clock tomorrow. Afternoon sunshine, and as those winds flip back to an offshore wind, kind of limiting the influence of the ocean, we'll bump temperatures back up again tomorrow. Chino, your high 78. And Anaheim 73 degrees. Should be a pleasant weekend. If you like it a little bit cloudier, maybe want an extra cup of coffee, that's tomorrow morning. And tomorrow afternoon, we get the sunshine high of 70. If you just want sunshine from the minute the sun comes up to the minute the sun goes down, that would be Sunday with the high of 78. It is going to trend cooler next week back to the 60s. Valleys will bump it up to 85 on Sunday, but still pretty pleasant tomorrow with a high of 77. Inland Empire, we're looking at a high of 80 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday, much cooler next week. And if you're heading to the beach, I would suggest Sunday, a little bit sunnier with a high of 70 degrees. Amy, back to you.
All right, Paul, thanks so much.
KCAL News, more news than any other local station.
We're here when you want your news.
Here on KCAL at 9 and 10.
Then on CBS Los Angeles at 11.
KCAL News on CBS Los Angeles, tonight at 11.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.